Wala pa rin punot. Cruz! Pati dito, mapaubos na ng boses ko rito. Worth it ito. Ay, ay, ay!
May tinawag si Rep.
Aba!
Biling.
Ito, okay, dito guys, bahala na, maubos na ng boses ko rito. Worth it ito. Mas matindi ito. Magandang liga ito. O 26-24 is, okay, pasok! Second deadlock of the game, tumitikit na ang Lake Danau. 26-all. Mga Lods, second deadlock of the game. Cruz, guarded by jersey number 1. Cruz, diretso to jersey number 3, Diaz from the downtown. Wala. Ito na.
Oy, di naabot.
Binigay ko. Hindi ka pumantay. Bahala na kayo.
So, mataas yung bigay kay Salem.
It's a last match violation. By jersey number 3.
Harap! Harap! Asan?
Isquera from the down in the pass. Wala. Cruz. Again. Wala. Naban. Naban. Wala. Grabe.
Grabe yun, grabe. So, third quarter tayo guys ha. Third quarter. 26-all.
Init lang laban ngayon. Push foul, rep. Push foul. Jersey number 90, Abejero. Abejero, third personal foul. Tatlo na po. Tatlo na. Malayo na. Pico. Bunyon out. Sino pumasok? Kuragay in. Alright. Shout out watching from Kuwait. Sorry. Oh, yan sa Kuwait. Sige, manood kayo. Sa Kuwait. Oh, yeah. Sa Riyadh po tayo. You're watching us live here in Riyadh. Okay? 2 free throws from jersey number 21, Naval of the Bicol Express Bicol Volcanoes. Final attempt. Basket by Naval. 27-26. Dire-diretso. Ito na. Abejero. Abejero. To jersey number 21. Amaran. Amaran. Abejero. Abejero. Ang ganda ng pasa.
Sayang.
Grabe. Ang ganda ng... Alright. Isquera. Isquera to Cruz. Intercepted by Lanao. To Cruz again. Back to Cruz. Make an attempt. Pass to Isquera. Dilabas ang bola. Isquera. Isquera. Isquera to Cruz from the downtown. Wala. Naban. Naban. Ay, wow.
Pasok.
Ganda ng cut ni Boragay. Boragay.
29-26 ang score. Lamang pa rin ang
Alright,
Bicol.
okay. Okay, Beijing po dyan, Beijing, driver of Nissan Pickup. Plate number ZAB 9197. Please proceed to the parking lot.
Ganda ng pasa ngayon.
Okay. Public service. Alright, time out by... Okay, coach. Paging the attention of the driver of Nissan white pickup, Nissan pickup, white, plate number ZAB 9197. Please proceed to the parking lot. O mga notes, driver po ng Nissan white pickup, plate number ZAB 9197. Ha? Alright.
Back to the ball game.
Please come forward. Proceed to the parking lot, please, to the driver of white pickup, Nissan, ZAB 9197. Okay, again, ang programa ito din sa inyo ng Inter-Province Basketball League. Samahan ng mga basketballistang malalaro sa Riyadh. Si Buana Luwilier, tama-tama ang perang pinapadala. You're in Udaz with Petrobank, and of course, ayan, sa lahat po dyan na manonood sa ngayon. And to those who are able to watch us live, you're watching the official FB page, Inter-Province Basketball League.
Paso Salem.
Abihero. Abihero. Bang! Wala. Intercept.
Pasok!
May Pado.
Ganda pa
Number
nun.
18. Nakakuha pa siya. Jersey number 18, Pado. And who's foul, rep? Who's foul? 0. Boragay? Boragay. There's a bonus free throw.
Grabe, ang dami
From
manunod.
jersey number 18, Pado. 31-28. Alright.
Pasok!
It's a complete score. 3-point play by Pado. 28. 31. 29-31 is a 2-point lead. Alright. Bungkukan to tabaan. Ayan. Okay. Alright. Ito na. Grabe ito. Mga pre, mga lodi. Alright. Pado. Pado guarded by Boras. To Jalem. Abihero.
14 to shoot.
Dabal. Dabal, diretso to Iskera. Iskera, guarded by Abihero. To Bungkukan. Wala.
May tawag si Rep.
There's a foul. Who's foul, ref? Jersey number. Alright, 0. Boragay. Substitution. Boragay out, Boras in. 29. 13 foul by Bicol.
3-point!
Sa Gunilan.
Nagulat sila.
Late Lataw. Oh, yeah.
Bang! 3-point din! Wala stake. Sinagot agad.
Alright. Toyota Rush, now calling the driver. Please proceed to the parking lot. Toyota Rush, plate number 21.
36-32. Lamang pa rin ang Bicol.
Please proceed to the
Ng
parking
apat.
lot. 2912. Toyota Rush. Alright, sige. Abihero. Tupano. Tupundoma. Wala. By Cruz. By Cruz. Alright. Diaz. 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 Looking for a pass. Diaz to Treasure Head.
Pasok! 3-point! Score
3
natin,
points by
39-32. In the third quarter, 4 minutes and 29 seconds.
32. Umaalamang ang kaunti.
14 to shoot.
Abihero guarded by naman. Abihero. There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's foul? Number 21 na ball. Shout out kay DJ. Score po. 39-32. 7-point lead. Sinong nanalo? Mamaya na guys. Kanina ka man tanong ng tanong nanalo Third quarter pa lang. 39-32. Wala pa.
Ganda ng tirang yun.
Kung nagmamadali, magkasinday man na. Hulat-hulat na pala. Kwarta na yaman na. Diaz. Diaz, diretso. Tundapan, umatake. Wala. Idres. Idres, kanibay.
Idres, nagdudumali.
Idres.
Sayang.
Ang tindi na mata ng referee. Ang bilis. Matindi. It's Bicos ball. Iskera guarded by jersey number 1. Bungkukan again. Wala. Rebound by Edris. Dire-diretso. Pinaba ni Sanggunilan ang bola. Sanggunilan to Abihero. Abihero. There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's
Foul
foul?
na tinawag si Rep.
Jersey number 6, Bungkukan. Second personal foul by Bungkukan. Lanao is on the penalty situation. Alright? 39-35. Alright, 2 free throws for jersey number 19.
Guys,
Lanao Abejero.
napakarami manunod guys.
Score 39-35. It's a 4-point
Sa lahat po
lead
yan,
by the
maraming
Volcanoes.
salamat sa inyo.
Grabe. Ibang
inyong
klase
panonood.
talaga ito ang IPBL. Ha? Dito
Pasok.
mo lang yan, matutupaya. Alright? First attempt by jersey number 19, Abejero, from the 15-foot line. Basket. Second attempt. Basket
Pasok pa rin.
again. 36-39. It's a 3-point lead.
Yes. Harap. Harap.
Dalawa na lang, 39-37. On our third quarter is a 2-point lead. Iskera, dire-diretso. Ay, block. Not on my watch. Ano ka, arak-ada ka? Not on my face, sabi ni number 19, Abejero. Grabe. Diaz to Bungkukan. Bungkukan to Diaz. Okay. Umuulan dito, grabe. Umuulan ng kape sa komite. Diaz. Diaz to Bungkukan. Bungkukan to diretso. Bungkukan. Bungkukan to Naval. Wala na rin. Bungkukan rin. Eto na. Diaz. It's a 2-point for Diaz. Okay na ko kayo. Thank you, Kuya. Alright, Diaz! Diaz, diretso! Atake! It's an easy basket by
Galing
Bungkukan.
ng pasok.
41-37 is a 4-point lead by Volcanoes. Abejero, intercepted by Skera. There's a foul. There's a foul. Who's foul, Rem? Number 19, Abejero. Apat, fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty by Abejero. Substitution. Abejero out. Sangkulilan in. Sino pa? Sino naman sa ball? Pausi, in. Sino tong out niya? Sino pinalitan niya? Sino pinalitan ni Pausi? Abejero, okay. 43-37. Diaz guarded by Edris. Diaz, director, Supalpal, atake, intercepted, diretso by Edris. Basket.
Shot by Edris.
Trap.
43-39 ang score.
43-39. Apat. Iskera.
Lamang pa rin ang Bicol. Diaz
to Naval. Diaz to the downtown.
pasok. Diaz 3-point.
Ito na. Grabing statistics ng Volcanoes. Pang-pitong na pukol na sa 3 ng Mayon. Sigurado, no? Any moment from now, sasabog na naman ito. Ito na. Bubuhusan na malamig na tubig ng Lake Lanao. Tingnan natin. Diyos na. Malupit, 46-39, mga Lods. Bungkukan to Boras, wala. Edris, diretso, guarded by Boras, intercepted by Bungkukan to Edris, Bungkukan. Is an easy basket by Iskera.
Nice shot by Iskera.
Wow. Okay. Eto
Umawi.
Wala. To Pausi. Diretso. Wala pa rin. Naval. Iskera, tingnan natin. Atake, Iskera. Hindi.
Ganda nun.
Iskera.
Wala
It's a point and shoot.
napagandang tira ni Iskera.
Iskera. Sangkulian. Easy basket by Pausi. Eto, bumabawi. Bungkukan.
Hindi umabot. Bilis.
Alright.
Score natin 50-41.
Is a 9-point lead by Bicol Volcano.